Where to refill transmission fluid. Refilling transmission fluid requires locating the transmission fluid dipstick or filler cap, typically found under the hood of your vehicle. Consult your owner's manual for precise location details, as they can vary between different makes and models. Once located, ensure the vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is running at operating temperature. Use a funnel to add the specified transmission fluid gradually, checking the level using the dipstick intermittently to avoid overfilling. It's crucial to use the type and amount of fluid recommended by the manufacturer to maintain optimal performance and longevity of your transmission system. After refilling, securely replace the dipstick or filler cap and ensure all connections are tight to prevent leaks. If unsure or uncomfortable with the process, consider consulting a professional mechanic for assistance to avoid potential damage to your vehicle's transmission system. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.